Today we are working on Excel Expert Lesson 6, the first lesson using the Fill Series tool. So starting with this document that we have open, first thing we're going to do is select cells B4 to B18. B4 down to B18. On the Home tab in the Editing group, click Fill. Over here is the editing group. We're going to click Fill and then Series. Click OK to accept the excuse me, the default options, and you can see that it numbered everything in order. What is wrong with my stuff? There we go. Step 2, select cells C4 to C18. C4 to C18. Click Fill and then Series. And in Step 1 value field, replace 1 with the value of 4. So we're going to type 4 and click OK. And what it did is it added 4 to every cell. Cool that you can do that. Select D4 to D18. Click Fill, Series. We're going to replace 1 with the value of -4. And guess what it's going to do? It's going to subtract 4 on every one of them. Mark that as answer. Go to the next. E4 to E18. Fill, Series. Select Growth, and then click OK. We didn't grow any because we didn't change anything. Select F4 to F18. We're going to do Fill, Series, Growth again. This time we're going to replace the 1 with a value of 4. Click OK. Increase the width of column F to display the data. So if you see these little hashtags, doesn't mean there's an error, it's just not fitting. So the easiest way to do it, double click between the F and the G right there on that line and it automatically fits it. So by doing the growth, it multiplied by the 4 that we put in there. G4 to G18. Fill, Series, Growth again, and we're going to replace the 1 with a value of 4. And in the stop value field, we're going to enter 100,000. 1. And then click OK. And you can see that it only went partially there. Mark as answered. Go to the next one. H4 to H18. Fill, Series, Growth. In the step value field, replace 1 with -4. And click the OK button. Increase the width of the column to make it fit. And your worksheet should now look similar to this, which ours does, or mine does. Hopefully yours does. Mark that as answered. Submit. Submit results. And that completes lesson 1.